I have a John Deere LX280 riding lawn mower. The steering column keeps popping out in the front, and I greased it yesterday and it seemed to stay. Later in the day, the back end of the steering column detached and I can't get it to stay. Is there a clip or bolt that could have come out? My manual does not show the steering column assembly repair. I have 5 acres to mow today before irrigation starts. Help.
Welcome to Just Answer Small Engines. Let me try to help you. Is this 2-wheel steer or all-wheel steer? Full-size image. This is the 2-wheel steer. It shows to be held in place by cotter pins on each end. Which part is coming loose?
The rod labeled 22 kept popping out in the front where it attaches to the front wheels. Now it has popped in the back. I don't know if a pin came off when I was mowing yesterday.
Is it popping out of the ball joint?
2-wheel steer.
Number 20, is the ball joint, is that where it comes out of? If the ball on the end of the shaft is coming out of its socket, the ball joints needs to be replaced. They should not come apart. You would need both #XXXXXAM 133,692 ball joint. The ball is crimped into the joint and is worn out when it comes out, and is not repairable. Has to be replaced. Let me know. Thank you. Our chat has ended, but you can still continue to ask me questions here until you are satisfied with your answer. Come back to this page to view our conversation and any other new information. What happens now? Or, you can reply to me using the box below.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.